Hi friends, welcome to Ansel. So today it is the 69th episode in the biology series. So today we are going to discuss about the MHC class 2 and the MHC class 3 molecules. So in last episode about biology, we discussed about the MHC class 1s. So they are just like molecules which are on cell membrane of most the cells with nucleus. They act like a window and these cells show the proteins which they are making. That's a very short summary about the MHC class 2 1s. So today first we are going to discuss about the MHC class 2. Yes, so first let's just take it as a cell. But not all cells have these MHC class 2. Only monocytes, macrophages and dendritic cells have them. Yes. So first think of this as a normal dendritic cell with its long limbs. Yes. So its main use is to just notify to the T cells about what is happening and activate them. But how do they get the bacteria/virus which they are fighting and give it to the specific T cell? How can they do that? So here comes the one and only MHC class 2 molecules. So these are different compared to MHC class 1s. I'll just call them MHC for short. So they are all over the body. So first this dendritic cell just digests the virus/bacteria and then the bacteria/virus will just turn into different pieces, right? Then the dendritic cell will put those pieces onto the MHC class 2s. Yes. So this is like covering an enemy's dead body parts on top of yourself, like an armor or a signal that you defeated your enemies. Okay, so then for many weeks they will try to search for the T cell, and after they find them, the T cells will be activated, and that's what the main use of the MHC class 2s is. And then is MHC class 3. So this is not that much, so these don't have a big role inside immunity, but they still have a good role. They are very important, as without them autoimmune diseases will be very common. Yes. Okay. So these are on literally every cell. Let's just draw them like this instead of the normal MHCs. So these are the MHC class 3 molecules. So what they do is they do cell signaling. That means so cells can't talk, right? They can't see, they can't do anything except move and release cytokines or do cell signaling. So these cytokines are the proteins that help talking between these cells, and this talking is known as cell signaling, as they signal each other to do something. Yes. So yeah, so normally you may think, before just all of this, how do macrophages and all innate immune cells recognize if a cell is a part of our body or not? It is all dependent on these MHC class 3s only. Because when a macrophage or like a neutrophil or like any other innate system cell comes, it will just check if it has these. I mean, like the cell says that I am a normal cell. I am a part of this human body, so don't attack me. Like that it will say to T cells, helper T cells and even macrophages, like many other. Yes. So like, yeah, macrophages, it just came to devour because there's a very large bacteria infection nearby. But it just went in the wrong way and then it reached here. Yes. So that normally doesn't happen, but this is a hypothetical situation. Yes. So from these MHC class 3s, there will be some cytokines signaling that so this cell says, I am a part of this human body. Why are you trying to attack me, you corrupted cell? And the cell says, sorry, I'm just lost, bye, like that. And that is what happens. The interaction between the normal human body cell and the macrophages inside the human body. So yeah, this is for today about both MHC class 2 and 3. Bye.